cool breeze anytime, anywhere? Meet the Sanford SF6669MFN rechargeable table fan. Compact, powerful, and built for your comfort. Equipped with a 4,500 RPM high-quality motor, this 7-inch fan delivers strong airflow at 3 adjustable speeds, low, medium, and high. Tilt the head to your perfect angle and enjoy cool air for up to 15 hours on low speed. Need light too? The 6 built-in LED lamps shine bright for up to 32 hours. Powered by a 3,600 mAh lithium battery, it charges via Type-C in just 6 hours. Smart indicators show red while charging and green when full. With overcharge protection and an ABS body, it's safe, durable, and always ready. Sanford SF6669MFN, your perfect breeze, wherever you go.